center of the multiverse. It will belong to Brainiac. I do not plan an invasion, rather an assimilation. I have identified key junctions in Earth's vast nexus of knowledge. These I will capture and digitize first. Of course, some non-essential information may be captured as well. This will be sorted and purged once the digitizing is complete. Earth's resistance does not concern me. There is no intellect strong enough, or power brutal enough to resist me. Soon this planet and all it contains will be mine. Intriguing. There is an anomaly in Earth's atmosphere. Beginning analysis. These exobytes are my own technology, each one holding unknown stores of digitized power from Earth's future. My harvester ships will simply reclaim the data provided by these exobytes and seal Earth's fate. This is a new obstacle. These humans resist my assimilation. My conversion units cannot hold them. Let the humans use their powers. In the end, they too will belong to Brainiac.
I'm Superman, and I'm going to get you off this ship.
I think everyone knows who you are, Superman.
And that's Oracle. She's going to help us navigate through Brainiac's defenses. Be on your toes for Brainiac's sentries.
We're here to save you and the others Brainiac abducted. Speak with Superman when you're ready to move on.
While we're here, we need to stop this ship from abducting anyone else. And send Brainiac a message Earth isn't going to fall to Brainiac or anyone else.
You still have your weapons. Use them to get rid of the debris blocking the door. Attracted some attention. Sentries are headed your way.
Move into position.
Here they come. Get ready for a fight. That's your one free shot. The good guys always come out on top. It'll take more than that.
Gather reinforcements. I will patrol towards the prisoner bay.
That's an overseer. They patrol parts of the ship and protect it from intruders. Like you. It won't let you pass.
It doesn't take X-ray vision to see you're up to no good.
Damage detected.
If you're looking for a fight, try me.
Systems damaged.
This looks like a job for Superman.
I know this is a lot to ask, but we need your help. We can disable this ship if we can destroy its central AI core. Brainiac has more ships, but this one has some key systems. Taking it out will slow his invasion.
You'll find that you can always trust Oracle to know what's up. She helps the entire Justice League on our missions. Do you really think you can hurt me? I believe in peace, but in your case, I'm willing to make an exception. Try to solve your problem with violence. Great Krypton! I'm bringing you to justice.
More of the Justice League have arrived to back you up. They'll draw some of Brainiac's attention.
Seems force is all you understand. Great Krypton! Do you really think you can hurt me?
Weapons activated. Damage detected. Systems damaged. Repairs initiated.
Wow, so many robots. This is a classic bad news, good news situation. The bad news is that those robots are starting to activate. The good news is that the Flash and Green Lantern are there to help you fight them. Those two have always been my favorites. Don't ever tell Batman I said that.
It'll take more than that. You shouldn't try to solve your problem with violence. Try to keep up! That's your one free shot. you can hurt me? That's your one free shot.
I asked Green Lantern and the Flash to take out the ship's main gun. Brainiac doesn't mess around. Oh. Uh-oh. These energy readings. Brainiac has a full invasion force stored on this ship. We have to destroy it.
Resist.
All
looks like a
units
job for
move
Superman.
into position. Contain the human.
This is as far as you go. Had enough? Great Krypton.
Damage sustained.
The good guys always come out on top.
What are you doing in here? Minor damage. Performance impaired. Damage sustained.
You shouldn't try to
All
solve your
units
problem
move
with
into
violence.
position. Contain the human.
Minor damage. Initiated.
There's the ship's central AI core. You two should help Wonder Woman and Batman destroy it. But be ready, Brainiac won't be happy about it.
Must die.
Brainiac's there, just as I feared. He's one of Superman's biggest bads, but between you and the Trinity, you should be able to take him. Just hurry. The ship is starting to blow apart, and Brainiac is blocking me from opening a teleporter. We don't want our newest friend going down with the ship.
Brainiac, I won't let you do to Earth what you did to Canada
Critical
or
damage.
Krypton. You won't bottle this one. It'll take more than that.
Minor damage.
Nice try.
Status critical. Do not think you have won, for I wear many shells. I am the source.
If you're interested in joining the fight for justice, the League would be happy to teach you.
Phew, I'm impressed. You're definitely on your way to greatness. Now get out of there and I'll contact you on the ground.
We were overwhelmed by his attacks. But only the gods can make or destroy worlds. And Brainiac is no god. From a single man's courage, we have an army of heroes to stand against Brainiac. Together, we shall fight tyranny. From Brainiac or any other false god. As Wonder Woman, I know that we all have our destiny. And for these heroes, it is the call to greatness.